This video will show you how to customize your client private notes. Uh, all client data is completely customizable in NutriAdmin, and I'm talking about these private notes that you have for every patient. So by default, when you sign up in NutriAdmin, you're gonna see very long notes, and there's a variety of categories such as supplements, functional medicine matrix, food assessment, naturopathy, etc. And these notes are very long, and we provide them kind of to show you what are the capabilities of the system, so that you see what are the possibilities in terms of you can have tables, you can have checkboxes like these ones, and you probably have your own templates that you use with patients already, and you will perhaps use some of these fields but not all of them. So you can definitely customize the notes. And the way to do it is you can click in here, customize private notes, and basically the system will let you completely customize these notes to suit your needs. You're going to be presented with this table where if you scroll down, you're going to see the fields are represented in here on the left side. So these are all the questions that are available in the notes. And you will notice some of them have this on switch. So this means that this particular question is activated in your notes. Some of them will be off, like this one, and so that means that those fields are not. So there are about over 100 pre-made fields that we include in the NutriAdmin to help you get started faster. So you can go through this list and just, for example, go to the top. Imagine I want to disable this heading, supplements. So I just click on the switch, and now it's off. If I don't want this table, I can click again, and now it's off, and etc. So I can go through this list and activate or deactivate the fields that I want. And when I'm ready, I can press on Save Changes, and this will modify my notes. If I press on this icon, Show On Only, this will show me what fields are currently on. So I can go through them and just kind of see how my notes look at the moment and disable whatever I don't want to use from here. You can further click on this Move arrow icon to, this will allow you to move the field up or down in the list. So if you want to reorder your questions on a particular order, that's possible. There is Edit if you want to change the phrasing of this field, or if you want to, for example, if you want to add a few extra options on these checkboxes, for example, if you want to remove some of these checkboxes or add a new one, that's possible. And finally, just quick, there's this search box, so you can search in here if we have a certain field, such as supplements. This will filter all the supplement-related questions. So if you wanna, you're wondering, do they have a field for this particular question that I wanna add? So you can search in here, and if we don't have it, then you can go to Create New Field, and this will let you create any kind of field. And as you can see, we have many different kinds of fields you can add. This can be just a text box that looks like this. This can be a longer text box or a paragraph. This can be boxes with different options, and you can there are many options to customize this so that it can suit your needs perfectly. You can have a question that has, this can be yes, no, or it can be many different options. Drop downs, checkboxes. You can have dates, like what is your date of birth, and you can have tables, which is a quite powerful feature because you can completely customize these tables to have your the headers and number of columns and rows that you need, and you can organize your data very nicely with these tables rather than having a lot of text boxes. Or I guess the main advantage is if you're currently using something like a Word document where you just type your notes during consultation, then this data is just going to be unstructured. It's going to be just a long series of data. And if you want to reuse this data later on to do some analysis or to create a report, you will have to rewrite this data, perhaps. And with NutriAdmin, you're going to have it in a table format, and it's going to be much easier later to process and do some analysis on this data without you having to manually copy the data again. And there are also tables of checkboxes, and there are tables of radio boxes. So you can explore these fields, and basically, if you're not to NutriAdmin and you want to have the perfect template of notes for clients, I suggest you edit your private notes. You go through the list, you turn off the ones you don't want, you switch on the ones that you do want, and then you create some new fields using this function here. You can change the order, and once you set this up, you only have to set it up once for all clients, and then you'll start saving a lot of time when taking the notes in this structured format in the software. And yeah, finally, just don't forget to click on Save Changes when you're done editing. And that's it. This is how you customize the notes. Thanks for watching.